Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My today's lecture is about question words. Let me read the sport box. An interrogative word or question word is used to ask a question such as when, what, where, who, whom, why, and how. They are also called WH words because in English most of them starts with letter WH. Let me explain it again. In interrogative sentences or words, we ask questions. We use question words. Question words are where, when, how, who, whom, etc. And they are in grammar, they are called WH words or WH family because most of these words starts with the letter WH. Okay, and how we use them, I will give you examples. This is an exercise. In this exercise, what we have to do, we will underline the question words in the following sentences. I told you what are the question words: who, whose, what, which, how, when, etc. These are the question words because in such sentences, if they are there, so we ask questions. Okay, that is why they are known as question words. Okay, who is he? So who is the question words? I have underlined it for you. Whose house is that? In this whose, what are you doing here? In this sentence, what is the question word? And I have underlined it. And keep in mind, at the end of these sentences or interrogative sentences or words, at the end we will put the question mark. Okay, which animal is bigger, cat or an elephant? So in this sentence, which is the question word, and you can see the question mark at the end. When will you come to my home? In this sentence, when is the question word, and at the end you can see the question mark. Next one is where is your teacher? Where is the question word, that is why it is underlined. Next one is how are you? How is the question word. Who is coming? Who is question word, that is why I have underlined it. And at the end of all these sentences, you can see the, what you can see? Yes, what? Question mark. Yes. Okay, so I think this is clear. Now we will start the other exercise, that is exercise number 2. In this one, what we will do, complete the questions with when, where, why, and how. Okay, let's start. This is also very easy and simple exercise. This is for grade 2, 3, and 4. Okay, let's start. Dash, don't you say something. Why don't you say something? That is the most appropriate one. And at the end you can see the question mark. Yes. Okay, when does the rainy season begin? When. Where did the robbers hide the treasure? I really don't know. Okay, number 4, D. Why did you go to America? Next is when and where was he born? Why are they always quarreling? Okay, so these all are the question words. And this is also called the WH family. Okay, because most of them starts with the letter WH. Okay, why are they always quarreling? I really don't know. Okay, next one is how is he feeling now? Why don't you eat something? Where did he come from? How can he be so rude? Okay, in this exercise, where, when, how, who, whose, etc., I have used the question words because these are from the WH family, and at the end of the sentence we will put the question mark. Okay, so these are also interrogative words and question words, and they are used to ask question. Okay, I hope this lesson is clear now, and it will be helpful for the grade 2, 3, and 4 students. And thank you so much for watching this video, and in the next videos I will come with different topics. Okay, thank you.